Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see Twitter, or now X, comments over on Twitter or X. So if you want to see the comments of any post, then here's how you can do it. It's actually quite easy. So all you need to do is head over to your For You page or over to your following page. It doesn't really matter. So in order to actually see like the comments of a post, all you literally need to do is right here, just click next to that post. So right here, this post has a picture. So I want to simply click on this white thing. So anywhere between this square, I can click. And it will bring me right here to the comments. It's going to load a bit, and then right here you can see the comments. What you can also simply do is click on the date when it's posted, and it will also bring you to the post right here. And then you can also view the comments. But what I always do is I just scroll, and then I click next to the post, and it will bring me to the comments. So that's how you can see how you can see Twitter, or now X, comments over on the app. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.